In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run an A/B test on your page in HubSpot. A/B testing is a simple, powerful way to compare two versions of a page and see which one performs better. Before we start, have a clear hypothesis, like will a shorter headline increase conversions, and decide on the primary metric you'll look at, such as form submissions or click-through rate. With that in mind, let's walk through the exact flow inside HubSpot. Begin by opening your HubSpot account and heading to the trial guide. This gets you into a guided space where the key tools are easy to access. Once you're there, open the More menu to reveal additional options. From that expanded list, choose Content so you can work with your site assets, and then select Website Pages. This is where all of your existing site pages live, and it's the right place to start a page-level experiment. From the list of pages, click the specific page you want to test. Pick the one tied to your goal, like a landing page that captures leads or a product page you want to optimize. It helps to jot down exactly what you plan to change on the variation before you proceed, so you stay focused on a single variable. Inside the page editor, locate and click the search icon. This quick search tool is the fastest way to surface actions without digging through menus. In the search bar, type Run A/B Test. You should see the Run A/B Test option appear as a suggested action. Click Run A/B Test. HubSpot will guide you to choose a variation and set it up. At this stage, keep your change small and intentional. Adjust one element like the headline, hero image, call to action text, or button color. Changing multiple things at once makes it harder to know what actually moved your results. Give your variation a clear name so you can recognize it later in reports, and write a short note capturing your hypothesis. Consistency matters too. Maintain the same layout and brand voice so the comparison stays fair. Once the variation is created, review your content carefully for typos, broken links, and tracking. Make sure analytics tags or forms are consistent across both versions. When your variation reflects the single change you intended, you're ready to let HubSpot handle the split and start collecting data. That's the complete path. Open the trial guide, go to More, select Content, choose Website Pages, pick your page, use the search icon, search for Run A/B Test, and launch the A/B test by choosing your variation. Keep it focused, document your hypothesis, and you'll get clean, actionable results.